Hey there guys, this is Sammy Franco and I'm here to show you how to draw a simple main character. So, this character is actually an original of mine and is already featured in UP Open University's student publication, Cyber is Called. Before we begin, make sure you're sitting in the right position to avoid straining your back. Keep your back straight. For the materials, what we'll be needing are a mechanical pencil and 2B lead. 2B lead because it's soft and it's easy to erase. Next, we'll be needing an eraser to erase all the unnecessary lines. Another is a marker to ink and darken all the drafted outlines. Lastly, we'll need regular copy paper. Any paper is acceptable, but for this video, I'll just use regular copy paper. Let's begin. First, we're going to draw a circle. That will be the main character's head. Here's the circle. And below that, we're going to draw a roundish square, which would serve as the character's jaw. Then we're going to draw a line here, and another line there. This would serve as the guidelines for the facial features. Next, for the body, we're going to draw two large arcs over here and another one over here. This will be probably around 2 heads in size, and then we're going to draw a horizontal line here, over here, for the torso. Next, we're going to draw 2 ovals for the legs. One here, and the other here. Then, we're going to draw 2 more square circles over here, below the legs. This would serve as the character's shoes, or feet. So, next, we're going to draw 2 more ovals for the character's arms. One here, and another here. That's enough for the character's face. Next, we're going to draw specific details of the character. It will probably look like this. We're going to start with the character's facial features. So we're going to start with the eyes. Using the guidelines we drew earlier, we'll draw the droopy, pointed eyes because he's Asian and he's lady. So there, droopy and pointed at the same time. And the eyebrows, draw 2 lines here. It's quite short. A dash for a nose and an open mouth. Then we're going to draw his hairline. And apparently, the common trend today is for the guys to have spiky hair. So we're going to give him spiky hair. So we're going to draw a couple of zigzag lines over here. Oops, sorry. Zigzag lines for his hair. Sorry again. And there you go with his face. Next, we're going to draw a V shape here for the collar, an arc here, and also over there for his sleeves. There, we have a t-shirt for the main character. Then we'll draw the other details of the pants. Some lines here and there to emphasize the folds. and pockets. And there we have it. But it's not yet finished. You still need to ink this. Get your marker and slowly trace all the drafted outline. So here we're going to ink the hair, the ear, the eyes, but don't ever mark the guidelines we drew across the face. These square lines over here, don't mark those. So we're going to avoid and continue on tracing the drafted outline. The end result should turn out like this. Ta-da! See, it's that easy. It might not go well the first time, but the key to drawing is practice, practice, practice. You can use the techniques shown to make your own characters. Feel free to use other mediums such as colored pencils, colored markers, colored pens, and other pens. Don't be afraid. Use your imagination and always remember to have fun. This is Sammy Franco signing out. Bye-bye!